Hey, welcome my YouTube friends to Scrapping It Up. I am Vanessa Peter, and I have something I want to share with you guys. Um, this is something that I'm going to start doing in the new year, 2024. I already do it over on my Facebook page, but I posted here, oh, I think it's been like a year ago, some of my pages that we make over on my Facebook page. And you guys said that you would be interested in doing stuff like this. So I come up with something that I think you guys might like. All right. If you have any questions about this, please put it in the comments. I would be more than happy to answer any of your questions. So over on my Facebook page, I make we do Make It Wednesday night live class every Wednesday night, and I create um pages right there during my live class. No, I do not go by any templates whatsoever. I just come live and create. And I usually have a paper pack that I create from until we don't have anything left from it. So I want to show you some examples of what I can do, and just to, kind of let you know. This here is the travel collection here and there from Simple Stories. These few pages here were just scraps that we had left. I usually create until we have no scraps left. So, I just had strips left. But I just wanted to quickly show you, what my pages can look like if, you'd be interested in doing something like this. Okay. Then there's this. Oh, that paper was such a fun collection to work with. Fun collection. I love this page. I think that is darling. And again, I go by no templates. I come on my live and I just create. It's whatever the paper tells me to do. And I would do the same thing for doing this on YouTube as well. I just come on and just create. I love this page. The colors of this collection is just amazing. This one here is a little bit loud, but sometimes that's okay. Oops, that one's sideways. I do 12 by 12, 8.5 by 11. And I've got just a few 8.5 by 11s to show you. I love this page. I think that's one of my favorites. And that's what all we created, with just a paper pack. Paper pack and then plain cardstock. And then here is some 8.5 by 11 ones that I've been creating. Whoops. That I've been creating. Because not everybody does 12 by 12. I've had a lot of requests to do 8.5 by 11. So we've been having fun with that. This is the Simple Life collection from Simple Stories. And we just have a 6 by 8 paper pad. That's all we have. And then I've got 12 by 12 sheets of just the plain cardstock to go with the collection. So a 6 by 8 paper pad, that's all we have for this one. So it's been a little bit of a challenge. Beautiful though, beautiful. And of course, all these are upside down. So it's a little bit of a challenge going from 12 by 12 down to 8.5 by 11, but it's been fun. A lot of fun. Yep, wouldn't you know it, upside down again. And then every week, and there's that one. I think it's supposed to go like that. Yeah, it's supposed to go like that. So then every week I send out project sheets, because usually, and I try and keep the classes to an hour long. I'm going to do the same thing with YouTube. Most of the time I can create 2 double page layouts during that hour. Sometimes I can do 3. Sometimes it's just 1. Depends on how intricate. Like this one here, I think that took me the whole hour, I think. It just depends. And I always do double page layouts. Once in a while I'll do a single page layout, but most of the time it's double page layout. So every week then I send out the project sheets. And my project sheets give you a picture, and it gives you measurements, and then most time it kind of gives you maybe where to put it. But these are my project sheets that I send out in an email every week from the Make It Wednesday Live class. And I also put these inside a box as well. Okay, so that's what my project sheets, they're just pretty basic. It gives you a picture. You can poke holes in these, or and put it inside a binder, and then you have them forever. I do have a Scrappin' 1 page at a time club. So you would get the weekly project sheets from the Facebook Live classes. You would get the project sheets for the YouTube classes as well. Plus, inside this club, you also get access to all my interactive scrapbook albums, my 12 by 12, 8.5 by 11, and my 6 by 8. And it's only $9.99 a month. So you sign up, and then it would be automatically taken out of your account every month. And you would have access to all this. All this is inside a box, but I do send out, not everybody likes, the box thing. So I send out the project sheets in an email. So I would do the same thing with the YouTube classes. Okay. But that's what my project sheets are. Now for the YouTube classes, my Facebook, I run these out of my Scrappin' Craftin' Box Club. I send out a quarterly kit that has like 2 to 3 collections in it. And then I design these pages from that kit. For YouTube, I would just pick a collection. Okay, let's say I picked this collection. Okay, so I would make as many 12 by 12 or 8.5 by 11. Just depends on your comments, what you like. If I had a lot of you say, oh, we like the 12 by 12, or a lot of you say, ooh, the 8.5 by 11. So one set may be 12 by 12, and maybe the next collection would be 8.5 by 11. And I would release these videos. They'll be recorded classes. I would release them every Thursday. And then that way you'd have it by Friday to work on it. And like I said, we'll keep them to an hour. I don't want to go over an hour. So it would be like 2 double page layouts, and sometimes maybe even 3. It just depends. Okay. So I would pick a collection, and maybe during, you can comment and say, hey, there's a new collection coming out with simple stories. It's called Love Story. I would love to see some layouts with it. Okay, I will try and get that paper collection and do some layouts for you. So a lot of it's going to be what you guys suggest to me. I will get the paper and I will make some layouts. One thing I do want to, and it always won't be simple stories. It could be whatever you guys suggest. Now, and I'm not a Creative Memories seller or anything. I just like some of their papers, and I do have a friend who does sell it. So every once in a while, I got to have that. I got to have that. So I'm also thinking about, like I have this winter berry collection right here. Let's see. Yeah. I could do some layouts with it. Okay. I don't have a problem, using Creative Memory. I just want to let you know I am not an advisor for Creative Memories at all. I just like some of their papers, and I thought there is a lot of people that only scrapbook with Creative Memories. So I thought, well, I could use some and help you guys out. I do have like Endless Meadows. I could use it. I do have the Tone on Tone in the designer pack. I have the variety matte pack to go with it. I have the stickers to go with it. And I do have the other stickers. So I could even do creative memories, you know, and let's say there's some paper close to my heart. Let me know. I mean, I can, and how I do my classes is I pick this out and I make pages until we have nothing left. I use the whole darn thing. Okay. I just don't create a couple of layouts and I move on to the next paper pack. I create from the whole paper pack. Now I will, like I said, I would be releasing these every Thursday. And then I would send out the project sheets to you. And then that way you'd have them forever and keep them and you could reuse them. Yeah. So, like here is a collection. This is a 49th and Market. You know, I have those. I have the ephemera bits. I have the laser cuts. Then I have all the paper to go with that. So I would pick a collection, and it would be different from what I teach over there on Facebook. It would be different. I won't use the same collections. I'll use different, and there may be a time that I may use the same collection, but do totally different layouts. I am a simple crafter. I do not have all the fancy wancy tools that I see a lot of scrapbookers have. I'm pretty basic. Okay. I do have some punches, you know, and I do like to stamp. I do like to ink. But you won't see any of my designs. I see some beautiful scrapbooking pages out there that are just immaculate. Every once in a while, I will do those, but not very often. I showed you my pages of what they kind of look like, but I'm a simple crafter. I use simple tools. You know, if I want a round circle, I'll go get my plate from my kitchen to, you know, trace around. Um, I'm really simple. But yeah, I would pick, you know, and you guys give me suggestions on papers you like to see me use. Um, so every Thursday I would release it, and depending on the size of the paper pack, like this one, I could probably, you know, 2 episodes. Okay, I will name these episode like Winterberry episode 1, part 1, episode Berry part 2. I will put those inside a playlist. Okay, so when you go to my YouTube channel, you can go up here at the top and it says about video classes, live classes, playlists. So you could click on the playlist and go, and I will put all the episodes inside the playlist for you. So that way they'd all be in, you know, one place. Or you can purchase my Scrappin' One Page at a Time Club, and you get the weekly project sheets sent to your email. Then the project sheets from all my YouTube classes sent to your email. And you can get inside a box if that's something that you want, where I will put all the live classes in there. The project sheets are all in there. And you also get access to my interactive scrapbook albums. Now, these interactive scrapbook albums are not the mini albums, so don't get that confused. If you're new to the channel, this is interactive scrapbook albums that are 12 by 12, 8.5 by 11, and 6 by 8. They're in binder albums. They're binder albums. They're not mini albums, and they're not folios. They are actually, they go in a binder, and they have lots of interaction and flips and pockets, and I've had a lot of good responses from my interactive scrapbook albums. They hold a lot of photos, and it's only $9.99 a month. So if you have any questions, please ask. This is something that I'm going to start doing in 2024. So I hope you're excited about me doing something like this. And like I said, I don't use any I don't get on the internet and search for layouts. I do the layouts right with you, and I will give the measurements, you know, during class as I'm doing it, just like I do my Facebook live classes. You can watch the live classes or not live classes. You can watch the classes and make it right along with me. Okay. You don't have to join this club, but if you would like to have the project sheets and access to my interactive script, I'd love to have you inside this club. Okay. It's not a have to. You can watch the classes and get the measurements during the class and make it right along with me. All right. So that is all I have for you on this. More to come, and I will get this all finalized, and we will start doing this in 2024. I'm so excited about doing this for you guys. So excited because I think it's there's a lot of you out there that you need ideas and to help, because it's important that you sit down and scrapbook when you've got time. Let's say you got an hour and you don't want to be searching an hour for on Pinterest or something for an idea. They want your time is scrapbooking. This allows you to sit down and just start scrapbooking, and you make some pages. You're not searching the internet looking for pages. You are actually sitting down and crafting, and that's what it's all about, to get your memories and your journaling on your pages and capture the memories forever. All right. All right. That's all I have for you. There will be more to come as soon as I get this all finalized, but I wanted to get this idea out there to you and see what you guys think about this. Okay. All right. That's all I have for you. Thanks for hanging out with me. And hey, we'll see you in the next video. As always, keep scrapping. Bye-bye.